Does your dog have tear stain? Dog tear stain is every dog owner's problem, especially when they have a white color dog or light color dogs. So in this video, I will show you how to clean the dog tear stain using wet wipes for dogs. So let's get started. If you don't have this kind of wet wipes for dog, you can use wet wipes non-fragrant for babies, and you just cut it into smaller parts. Okay, so now we're going to clean this. This is unfragrant, unscented, and no alcohol, so this is safe for dogs. We rub this with wet wipes. We do this regularly so we can achieve the maximum results. Okay. So now we go to the other eye. We rub this again with these wet wipes. And don't use these wet wipes to the other eye, because we might transfer the germs and it will cause infections, irritation and infections to our dog. And then we brush this with comb. You can use also the flea comb because it has thinner teeth. It's good for the eye areas. We maintain this coat dried because it's a bit smelly. If the tear stains accumulated in this area, it smells no good. It's awful. So we need to keep this area dried, clean and dried always. Okay, so as you can see, there are a little bit of comb there, so we need to cut that. Okay, we use this this comb scissor, curved scissor. Just be careful not to poke the eyes. No, good girl, good girl. Because this area, the tear stains, the tears stays, so we just going to trim the affected coat, because if not, it will worsen. Okay. And we need also to trim this area, because if the coat here is very long, it will poke the eyes and it will lead our dog to have more tears. Okay, that will cause tear stains. So we don't like that to happen, so we maintain this area trimmed. Okay, and also this this coat also need to be trimmed, not to poke the dog's eyes. Okay, later we will check this out. Okay, so we go to the other side. we will trim that one, this side, trim. Okay, again, be careful, be mindful not to poke the dog's eyes. We are trying to solve a problem, not to create another one. So we need to be very careful and focused. Okay. So if we cannot get the small coat that is still there in the tear stain area, so we can go back to that area some other time or on another day. See, so we are going to check this. Also we need to check this if this is long already, because sometimes if this is very long it will poke also the eyes. Okay, and if we trim this area regularly, it will improve the visions of our dog. Go to the other side. Okay. Okay. So we will see your beautiful eyes. Very easy. We just need to focus, okay, so that we will not poke your eyes. Is she beautiful? Please comment, okay, and if you like this video, please subscribe to my new channel. Okay, this channel is created for our fellow dog lovers and dog mom and dog dad. Okay, lovely. Isn't she happy? She's very sweet. And that's our video for today. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you again on our next video. Bye bye.